It's sort of a joke amongst physicians about orthopedic surgeons are sort of concrete thinkers. We see something, we fix it, etc. So my thinking goes like there is a source of the pain and then there's a receptor. So the source of the pain can be either a structural problem, and I'm defining structural as an identifiable lesion with matching symptoms. So for instance, if you have a bone spur pinching the fifth nerve root in your lower back, that'll cause pain down the side of your leg. That's a perfect match. Or if you have an unstable spine, that to me is a structural lesion. So the source of the pain can be structural, or it can be soft tissue pain, which can be the ligaments, tendons, muscles, the discs themselves can be the source of the pain. But at soft tissue, I call it subjective pain. And for instance, this test called the discogram is a subjective test. So we do know discs degenerate normally as you age. We know the discogram is an unpredictable test. That to me still comes under the category of soft tissue pain. So surgery works for structural problems. It does not work for soft tissue pain. The third thing we're learning about now is called the mind-body syndrome, where the central nervous system itself can actually short circuit and actually cause symptoms. And that's a whole different topic that we'll talk about later.